Hello, my name is Laura. Today I'm looking forward to practice an energizing yoga flow with you. It is inspired by sculptures on view at the exhibition Rodin Arp. Sit on your heels. Bring your left hand next to you, right hand behind your head. Lean over to your left. Transfer the weight from your head to your hand, gently to the other side, and switch in your own pace, 2 times each side. Stretch your left side of the body. And then all the way around to the other side. And stretch the right side of your body. Come to all fours. And walk your hands to the front of the mat. Melt your chest to the mat. Keep your pelvis high. You just want to have a nice shoulder opener. And with your next inhale, come back to all fours. Tilt your pelvis, look up. And exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. Back to a neutral position. Left leg goes back. Reach your right arm forward. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, bend the left leg, grab your right hand, the foot. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, back to all fours. Inhale to the other side, right leg to the back, left arm to the front. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, bend the right leg. Take with your left hand the right foot. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, back to all fours. Shift your pelvis to your heels. Straighten your legs and find your downward facing dog. Bend the right leg. Bend the left leg. Bend both legs. And back to downward dog. With your next inhale, lift the right leg high. Open the hip, bend the leg, flex your foot, and try to level your shoulders. Bring your right foot between your hands. Bring your left knee to the mat. Straighten your right leg to half split. Bend the right leg. Reach your arms up. And cross the left arm over your right, elbow over elbow. Try to bring your palms together. Inhale, lift the elbows high, lean back. Come back to center, release the arms. Exhale, hands frame out the right foot. Step back to plank. Lower to chaturanga. Inhale, your back bend. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left leg high. Open the hip. Bend the leg. Flex your foot. And slow and control, step the left foot between your hands. Right knee to the mat. Straighten your left leg. And enjoy this nice little stretch on the back of your leg. Inhale, bend your left leg, reach your arms high. Now cross the right arm over your left, elbow over elbow. Try to bring the palms together. Inhale, lift the elbows high, lean back. Enjoy this nice little back bend. Come back to center, release the arms. Exhale, frame out the left foot. Step back to plank, inhale, exhale, lower to chaturanga. Inhale your back bend, exhale, downward dog. Take a little walk to your hands. Keep a bend in your knees. Grab opposite elbows and let gravity do its works. Rock from side to side. Release the elbows. Let your head and arms hang heavy. And roll up to standing. Inhale, reach your arms up. Grab with your right hand your left wrist. Lean over to your right side. Standing side stretch. Inhale back to center. Right hand between your shoulder blades. Left hand high five to the person behind you. Comes from below and grabs the right. And if this is not available for you, take a strap or something else. Inhale, release and switch the side. Grab with your left hand your right wrist, lean over to your left side. Inhale back to center. Left hand between your shoulder blades. Grab with your right hand the left hand, or take a strap or a scarf. Get creative with your yoga props at home. Lift your chin. Close your eyes. Rib cage draws in. Inhale, release, reach the arms up. Pull your right knee up. Either you grab the right knee with your right hand, or your peace fingers grab the big toe. You extend the leg. Keep a long spine. Open the bent or straight leg to your right side. Have a still gaze. Come back to center. Everyone, both hands on the hips. Stretch the right leg long. Hold. Breathe. Hands in prayer. Upper body leans forward. Right leg to the back. Warrior 3. Flex your right foot. Still gaze. Release. Both hands to the mat. Right leg high. Standing split. If you want, you can try to grab with your left hand your left ankle. Inhale, find length in your spine. Hands in prayer in front of your chest. Slow and control, come back up. Reverse warrior 3. Lean back and right leg forward. Back to center. Bend your right leg. Reach back with your right hand to clasp the ankle from the inside out. Left arm reaches up. Start to press the right thigh back and up. Reach the left arm forward and up. Still gaze. If you fall out, smile and go back in. Inhale, release. Pull the right knee into your chest. Cross your right thigh over your left. Cross the right arm over your left. Again, elbow over elbow. Try to bring the palms together. Inhale, lift the elbows high, lean back. Balance on your left foot. Try to bring elbows and knee together. Inhale, release. Place your right foot next to your left. Reach your arms up as your pelvis moves down. Come on your tippy toes, lower your pelvis all the way down until you reach your heels. Right arm on your knees, left hand to your chin. Slowly straighten your legs, interlace your hands behind your back. Let your neck and shoulders fully relax. Slight bend in your knees. Release. Come all the way up. Let's switch side. Left side. Reach the arms up. Pull your left knee up. Either you grab your left knee with your left hand, or with your peace fingers grab the big toe. You extend the leg. Keep a long spine. Still gaze. Open the bent or straight leg to your left side. Back to center. Again, everyone, both hands on the hips, stretch your left leg long, hold. Hands in prayer, upper body leans forward, left leg to the back, warrior 3. Energize the back leg and extend it strongly towards the wall behind you. Still gaze. Release, both hands to the mat, left leg high, standing split. If you want, you can try to grab with your right hand, your right ankle. Inhale, find length in your spine. Hands in prayer in front of your chest. Slow and controlled, come back up. Reversed. Warrior 3. Lean back, left leg forward. Feels awkward, I know. Back to center. Bend your left leg. Reach back with your left hand to clasp the ankle from the inside out. Right arm reaches up. Start to press the left thigh back and up. Reach the right arm forward and up. Press back with the left foot. Still gaze. And if you fall out, just go back in. Inhale, release. Pull the left knee into your chest. Cross your left thigh over your right leg. Cross the left arm over your right. Elbow over elbow. Try to bring palms together. Inhale, lift the elbows high. And exhale, try to bring elbows and knees together. Balance on your right foot. Inhale, release. Place your right foot next to your left. Reach your arms up as your pelvis moves down. Come onto your tippy toes. Lower your pelvis all the way down until you reach your heels. Left arm on your knees, right hand to your chin. Straighten your legs, interlace your hands behind your back. Let your neck and shoulders fully relaxed. Slight bend in your knees. Inhale, release your hands, find a long spine. Exhale, we meet in down dog. Inhale to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, low back bend. Exhale, down dog. Bring your feet mat width distance apart. Walk your hands to the back of the mat. Bend your knees, lower your hips, come into a squat. Bring your upper right arm to the inside of your right knee. Lift the left arm high and look to your left hand. Back to center. And the other side. Bring your upper left arm to the inside of your left knee. Lift the right arm high. Look to your right hand. Back to center. Come all the way down to your mat. Slowly start to separate your legs toward either side. Don't stretch beyond your capacity. Split your legs till they are perfectly straight on either side and keep breathing in and out while holding this posture. You always first want to find length in your spine and then find depth. Slowly come back up. Start bend both knees. Bring the sole of the feet together. Form a diamond with your legs. Lean forward. Relax your shoulders and neck. Bring slowly both knees together, your forehead to your knees, hug your chins. And roll onto your back. Lift the legs up to a vertical position, lift your hips and spine from the floor. Bring the legs behind the head, place the toes on the floor, and the legs are gently straightened. Place your hands on your low back. Extend the legs up. Once you raise the legs, don't turn your head to the side to look around the room. Since you can injure your neck, keep your gaze upward and your neck straight. Slowly bring your feet behind your head. Press your palms on the mat. And as slow as you can, roll out. Really, really, really slow. Even slower. Lower your buttocks onto your hands. Legs are straight. Have your big toes touching. Press down from your palms to your elbows. Inflate your upper body by lifting your shoulder blades and thoracic spine into your chest. Lift your sternum towards the ceiling, then drop your head back and lower onto the crown of your head. Release. Pull your knees to your chest. Guide your knees over to your left side. Gaze to the right. Return to center. Switch to the other side. Back to center. Come to your back for your final relaxation, Shavasana. Close your eyes, soften your breath. Let your next breath be a little deeper. Move fingers and toes and make your way into a cross-legged seat. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. Slightly bring your chin to your fingertips. A little smile just for you. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. Namaste.